Gentlemen-wise, this oversized knot is the Balthus knot, number 28 in the top 50 knots. So we start with the inseam facing out, and you want to give the blade a lot of length. And the first step is to cross the tail over the blade, making the neck loop. Next, you take the blade down through the neck loop and to the right. Then you take the blade down through the neck loop to the left. Then you take the blade down through the neck loop to the right. So you've basically done the same thing 3 times. Now we're going to create the front loop. And we're going to finish the knot by going up through the neck loop and then down through the front loop. At which point we tighten. And with this knot, I don't like to get it that tight because if you do, you get these little weird loops on the side. And voila, that is the Balthus knot. You'll notice it's a little bit short. That's because I have a normal length tie and this knot takes a lot of length, but that's okay. You can just throw on a vest, or a lot of times it's long enough to just keep your suit coat buttoned, and that should hide the end. As you can see, this is a very large knot, so it's great for people who are large in stature, especially if your knots always seem a little bit too small. Thank you so much for watching to the end. It really means a lot to me. If you want to see some shoes that were worn in Indiana Jones, check out our Buffalo, New York video here. And most important, gentlemen, keep looking classy. We'll see you at the top.